some of the crucial early decisions you'll make about your website, choosing a website name, and actually planning how your site is structured. The goal is making it easy for your customers to find their way around and actually get what they want. Because a happy customer equals a more successful business, right? Are you ready? First up, your domain name. That's what people will type into a web browser to find you. When choosing a domain name, you first need to check if the one that you want is available. For example, there can only be one tastybakery.com on the web, and if someone has already claimed it, you won't be able to use it. So how do you know if the name that you want is taken? Just do a search for domain registrar and click on one of the results. There should be a tool on the site that lets you see if someone is already using the name you want, and if they are, it may suggest similar names that are available for you to use. A good domain name is one that people can remember easily. Keep it short, relevant, and as to the point as possible. You may be able to get a variation on the name you want by choosing a different extension, which is basically the fancy name for the bit at the end. You've probably come across .com or even .co.uk extensions, but you might find others that are available and actually a better fit. For example, non-profit organizations use .org. What this also means is that although tastybakery.com might be taken, tastybakery.net may still be available. Okay, so that's the name sorted. Let's have a look at some other common parts of the website, like your homepage. This is the first page people see after they type in your domain name and actually get to your website. The homepage is your shop window. It's where you invite people in and explain what you're all about. A homepage also directs visitors to other pages of your website through what we call the navigation. Your navigation headings may run across the top of the page or actually down the side. Either way, it's a menu that lets people travel from one part of the site to another. How you actually organize a site is very important. Start by thinking about the websites you visit regularly. How are they organized? Now, decide what kind of content you want to offer and then group it together in ways that actually make sense. Many website building tools offer simple website templates that can help you get started. An easy place to start would be the pages and sections that you see on most websites, things like About or Contact Us pages. Your website's contact page might include your address, your phone number, email, and maybe even a map with directions. The About page might tell a story of your business and include photos of some of your best work. There's no real right or wrong way to organize a site, but you'll always want to put yourself in your visitor's shoes. What's he or she looking for? What are they trying to accomplish on the site? You want to set it up so that it's super easy for visitors to find the information they need, like, for example, the bakery's opening hours. Or you might even want them to complete an important goal, like submitting an online order. Let's check out what you'll see on the pages themselves. First, you'll notice the navigation signposts like About and Contact headings. They should appear on every page of your site so that people can always get to where they want to go and also back to where they've been. Of course, there'll also be words or text, headlines, paragraphs, and bullet lists, and you might also have things like images and videos. Text and images can also be set up to link to other pages on the internet when they're clicked. These are called hyperlinks, or shortcuts to other pages either on your site or elsewhere across the web. Many websites also invite customers to interact, with features like forms to submit questions, maps with turn-by-turn directions to your store, or shopping baskets to buy products directly. Your website, your digital storefront, is a great opportunity to connect with customers. Choosing the right domain name, organizing your site logically, and including nifty features can really help your visitors find exactly what they're looking for.